We've been sailing the Drake Passage and getting ready for when we reach Antarctica aboard Ocean Victory. Hi everyone, John here with In the Loop Travel. Thanks for checking out the vlog as I sail with Albatros Expeditions. Now this is the second in the video series, and in this one I'll give you an update on how we spent almost 2 days sailing across the passage before arriving to the Antarctic Peninsula. The waters were so calm on our crossing that we made great time on our voyage across. The average time is almost 2 full days, and we shaved about 12 hours off that at least. On the first day, I had breakfast at the Panorama restaurant on deck 8, and I went outside to get some fresh air and check out the seabirds. We saw petrels and albatross. I hit the gym for a couple of workouts, and I even treated myself to a massage on the second day of the crossing. The days were mostly filled with briefings and orientations to get us ready to spend time in Antarctica. We had the mandatory IATO briefing. This goes over the rules for going ashore and interacting with wildlife set out by the International Association of Antarctica Tour Operators. We also learned about the safety procedures for the Zodiac operations, as we use these inflatable boats for going ashore. Then there were orientations for kayaking, snowshoeing, and camping, as these are premium activities Albatros offers, and they come with an additional cost. If the weather's good enough, I'm planning to do the kayaking. Hopefully we'll get out there, and that costs $250 per session per person. We had a biosecurity screening of jackets, gloves, hats, and hiking poles, and that makes sure that foreign substances don't come ashore with us to the continent. And we also had a fitting to get our boots that we can use for the week. The daily program also offered a couple of enrichment talks during these 2 days, and I enjoyed the chat by ornithologist Ab, who talked about the penguins. The expedition photographer on board also gave a presentation to help people get the best pictures possible while they're here in Antarctica. By late afternoon, we were at Half Moon Island, and our groups all went out for some Zodiac tours and landings on the island. We saw chin straps and Gen 2 penguin colonies. And then during our Zodiac tour, we went out by some glaciers and we saw some humpback whales even. It's amazing to be back in Antarctica, and we were lucky to have such an easy crossing. We even got to spot a pod of whales while we were sailing through the Drake. It was just an idyllic day on the Southern Ocean. So this is my third time here. I'll drop a link to these other trips in the description box below, as well as a cabin tour of my room here from where I am talking to you right now. And I'll give you a full ship tour of Ocean Victory as well. I'll look for links for all of that content in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next episode as we continue our expedition with Albatros in Antarctica.